what's the best experience in terms of shooting? Bani wako amshoota mnizo qoma you achonga. Ziyeke sozbalile ohlala no motion, but even if it concerns him, but like one moment you feel like I was happy shooting this video.
There's a video that bendishute no Brili.
Okay.
That's Somandla video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like yo. That time cause uBrili wanithumelela la ngoma yabo.
Yeah.
Labe sendi check out ingoma zakhe ndazive izingoma yo zintswembu zo ngezingoma yes yabo ndandizimamela like wa drop links mos yabo ndamamela yo zintswembe ezweni when bambaye bamashoot video nqonda yo Brili babuya zobe ndizimamela ezweni and zintswembu ezweni yabo zinto kla ndithunyiwa ndizenzanga that time shooter esishoota no Brili le video sishoota no Brili le video and one thing about uBrili about uBrili like uyancanyuza ne storyline yabo